Our Terex service technicians have a combined 75 years of experience working on drill rigs. They've also been factory trained. We do service work for some of the largest rental leasing companies in the U.S. Rigs are brought in for repair from places as far away as the East and West Coasts. Our reputation is known throughout the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. We're also highly recommended by Terex Field Service. We can completely rebuild a machine from the truck up, including the bed, turntable circle, rollers, pins, bullpin, subframe, mainframe, engine, transmission, final drive, right-angle drive, frame ring, feed ram boom, valves, etc. We do fabrication as well as remount machines onto new trucks. We stock an extensive amount of repair parts. We keep all wear items including packings, gaskets, liners, rollers, pins, right angle and final drive gear sets, bearings, seals, cap screws, etc. We've recently developed a valve and plumbing for replacement of the Vickers V-38, which is known to leak with age. The spools wear out so that the seals will not stop the leaks. This new valve has 3 sections with end caps. Each section is individual. Future maintenance will be less expensive than a complete 3-spool valve. We recondition the main drive brass and machines. These are sleeved with like material. The packing area, seal areas, and bearing areas are brought back to the original specs. They are then air tested to make sure there are no leaks. These are as good as new once completed. For more information, go to www.ciamachinery.com.